Introducing the Remoxa Portable Tiny Home, the ultimate solution for mobile, expandable living. Whether you need a prefab house for a hotel, booth, office, guardhouse, shop, villa, warehouse, or workshop, the Remoxa Tiny Home offers unparalleled efficiency and versatility. With a vast 36.6 m3 of space, you can unlock limitless possibilities and tailor the home to fit your unique needs. Crafted with galvanized steel for a lifespan of 30-40 years, this tiny home is built to last and shielded against the elements with weather-resistant panels. Immerse yourself in peace and security with steel aluminum doors, PVC aluminum windows, and layouts that resonate with your dreams. This portable container home boasts a unique design, luxurious living spaces, and unparalleled convenience. Experience rapid transformation with a swift 2-hour installation and effortless luxury now. Invest in your sanctuary today and elevate your lifestyle with the Remoxa Portable Tiny Home. Click the link in the description to order yours now.